In this product review, we're going to take a look at the 2018 THOR MX Sector racewear, designed to perform at high levels without blowing the budget. Now here are the things you need to know about it. The Sector racewear is an all-new mix and match style for 2018, with multiple Sector looks available with a single pair of pants and multiple jersey options to match. The Sector black pant has a pre-curved shape for maximum comfort when riding. Double and triple stitching for durability, abrasion-tolerant materials, a buckle closure, athletic mesh liner, and purpose-built TPR features. All Sector jerseys have raglan-style sleeves for optimum mobility, with stretch panels in cuffs and the collar, and a drop-tail design which helps keep the jersey tucked in. And of course, moisture-wicking material which keeps you dry. So what do we think about the 2018 THOR MX Sector race line? Well, the top fits well, the pants are nice and light and they look good. It's very simple, black pair of pants, whatever colour bike you have, they've got a top to match it, but you can't go past the value for money. $110 for a pair of pants, $40 for a top, outstanding. MXTV's rating, 4 thumbs up. The reason being, we'd like to see maybe some venting and maybe a little bit better heat pads in the knees in the later models to come.